How to find account and routing number on Cash App. Hey everybody, if you're trying to look out for your account number or your routing number on Cash App, this is how you do it. First thing you have to do is make sure that you are logged in on your Cash App account. And then from here, at the bottom left, you will find your current balance on Cash App. Or if you don't have any balance, you will be able to see a bank icon at the bottom left corner. Just tap on that, and then from here you'll head over to the banking section, and there you have two options. Cash, you have an option to add cash and then cash out of your account. Right below that you have your routing number right there, and right below cash out you have your account number, which is blurred out for privacy reasons. But if you want to completely view it, you can just tap on it to view your account number. So you can tap on either one of them to view the number. So just tap on it and another pop-up will appear where you can see your full routing number and your account number. If you want to copy any of those, you have a dedicated copy button as well. Just tap on it to copy it and you can send it to whoever you want. Now, are on Android, in that case, you could simply go ahead and open up the app, and then you should be able to see your routing number, account, and routing right besides your cash balance. So you can just tap on it to view your routing and account number. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.